Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm so excited. I am so excited for this video. I have an unboxing for you guys. You guys know, I've said it in a previous video. I really wanted to get into indie companies that do beads that are very similar to the Pandora Murano beads or the European glass beads, that kind of style. It's the glass, handmade, handcrafted, absolutely gorgeous beads. And I've seen several companies floating around on Instagram, and I had to hit some of them up to try their products. So I have in front of me this beautiful package. Came today. I've already cut into it, and I have peeked down inside. There is a box. So, ooh, super cute. Oh my gosh. So here's the packaging. Oh my gosh, that is lovely. So it's Soleil Beads is the name of the company. She is out of Wisconsin. Is that correct, Shannon? Am I remembering correctly? Yes, Wisconsin. And her name is Hillary. She does have a Facebook page and a Facebook group. And I did order these out of her Facebook group. She does a weekly sales where she will post the beads. You go on and claim them. She sends you your invoice. You pay for your bead. You receive your beads. It is that simple. And these beads range from 25 up to 45 is the price ranges I saw. She did put up today, she did a sale today, and she had smaller spacer beads, which were 2 for $25, and they were just solid color. They were beautiful, like iridescent blues and greens and golds and purples. 2 for $25 on those. So let's get into this because I'm excited. I have not seen these in person. I ordered them last week. They just got here. I saw the photos on her Facebook and they were beautiful. And there's the packaging. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So inside it's just a little Ziploc with her logo again, and I love this little box. I wonder if my hubby can use that for anything. He's always like, do you have a little box? I have this little tool thing I need to put this part in. Oh my gosh, I got one. I was like, I need to be prepared because I'm usually not prepared and I'm running around all over. I got a bar. Okay, and I got my bracelet, and I'm praying they fit on this bracelet. I think they will. Because if not, then I'll have to find a bracelet somewhere. These fit on a unthreaded Pandora bracelet or like a troll beads bracelet. Oh my gosh. But something that's not threaded, that has like just the small opening. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to put these on the bar. So 2 are matte, or what she put down is matte, and those are the 2 purple ones. Now the ones I have over here are my persona beads and my catfish, and that's what I wanted to put with these beads. But look at these guys. And I know the lighting here, well, it might be pretty good because the ring light's right in front. These are the 2 matte beads, and they were $25 each, but they were buy 4 beads, get 1 bead free. You just went in and claimed your 5th bead, and you got it for free. So, just looking at these through the light. Oh my goodness. These 2 are similar in size, and this one's a little smaller. These 2 are basically the same size. It looks like this one might be a hair bit bigger. They're all handcrafted, so there's going to be variances. There's going to be differences in shape. She has videos on her Facebook where she shows you actually crafting beads, and it's absolutely amazing. I want to take this one off. Just hold it up. Hopefully guys can see some of the depth, and I will have pictures of these sitting outside in natural light, and I'll try to get some video of these outside in natural light tomorrow when it's daylight. Here's the one that is more blue, because you can see the reflection of my ring light in there, and it's a little distracting. But these colors are stunning. Here's the last teal one, and there is the little circular caps that go on the ends, the cores. And there's the sides. These are gorgeous, girl. Absolutely stunning. Okay, and here's the two purple ones. So these are a little bit smaller, but see how they're purple? Then look at all these other beautiful colors. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with these two. I have two Persona purple spacers I knew I wanted to put with these, but I only have one Persona bracelet, so I'm definitely going to have to try to find me another bracelet. And I have a little stopper bead. I don't know where I got this stopper bead at a pawn shop, but I don't know where this stopper bead actually came from because it doesn't fit this Persona bracelet. It's a little big. So if my bracelet ladies recognize this stopper bead, let me know what bracelet it fits. I got it just to have it as like a little spacer. So let's play with some beads, shall we? All right. Here is the actual stopper for my Persona bracelet. There's the actual stopper. So I have my catfish and I have these three. They're all unique. And I was pretty sure I wanted to put one with the purple and then the other two with the green. So, and I want my catfish. So, I don't know what I want to do. This one is the smaller one, and I thought I could put this on a necklace somehow. If I can figure out a way to get that on a necklace, I will take a picture and put it at the end. But I'm going to put, I already have the little spacer that doesn't fit the bracelet or stopper. I'll just use it as a bracelet. And then I'm going to put this bead on. And then the one that was a little more green. Yes, they go on the bracelet. And then my catfish, which I love. Then the other Persona bead. No, that's not how I had it, Shanna. Persona bead last. And then the other Soleil bead. And then the stopper. Because if you don't have that stopper, this is not threaded in any way. It's just smooth. And that bead will just fall right off there. So your stopper bead keeps it, see, from falling off. And you can move that stopper bead anywhere you want to. Persona, I think, is still available. I know I've seen Pandora hunting with Scubadude and Debbie. Or is it Debbie and Scubadude? Now I can't remember, but I'll leave her channel link down below. Be sure you go check her out and give her a subscribe. She has shown Persona in her videos. Trying to get this turned around and the catfish sitting up where you can see her. She's showing you her butt. Come here, little girl. Yes, mine's a girl. Both my boy cats, or cats for boys, and you would think I would say that this is a boy. Come on, zoom. Straighten up. But for some reason, it just looks like a little girl. It's a little girl catfish. But look at those beads. Oh my gosh. And I know I won't be able to get this on left-handed. I usually have to get my hubby to put this bracelet on me because I always wear my bracelets on my right hand. Let's see if I can get it. And I think this is a 7.1 or 7 1/4 bracelet. I could use a hair bit more bracelet, but it was free with a purchase and you only had like the one size to choose from. I'm not going to be able to get it on. My hubby always has to put this one on for me. But there's those beads. And here's what the purple ones are going to look like when I put those together. With that bead. Super cute. My toilet's running. Can you hear that? It just started doing it. Oh, it's trickling. I'm going to go fix that. But yes, I'm so excited. These are so beautiful. how do you do that? I mean, how do you do that? How do you get that much depth and color and swirl? And I've watched her do it on Facebook. It's amazing. Oh, I can't wait to wear that. I can't wait to wear it. And I'm going to see if I can get this on a necklace. Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have several silver chains, and I just grabbed like the thinnest one I had. It'll fit a bigger chain, but I liked the little sparkle on this one. And so yes, there's plenty of room for a bigger chain. And I just put it on a chain. I was wanting to do like when you thread it this way, but the clasp on this chain was too big for the opening, where you thread it this way and it's hanging this way. If I can find a chain that'll work, I will definitely be doing that. But yes, to just wear it on a necklace while I have this bracelet and make a set is fantastic. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, girl. These are gorgeous. I am excited, and I got to figure out, I may do this on a necklace. That would be so pretty. Let's look. I can get this one off, because oh, it come off easy. It took me forever to get it on. The clasp is very tiny. It's petite. It's a petite clasp. This would probably go on. I have a really thin Omega neck wire. I bet it would fit on that too and be pretty. Ooh, I didn't think about that. I like that too. Oh my gosh, super cute. So yes, there's different ways you can style these beads. You can put them on a necklace, put them on your bracelet. And like I said, this is just a plain little necklace that I grabbed out of my stand back there. All right, guys, I will have Hillary's information. I'll have everything listed down below. I will have her tagged on my IG, so be sure you go check out her Facebook, check out her Instagram. And she does sales Thursday. I believe it's every Thursday. And I know this Saturday, which will be tomorrow, she is doing a fundraiser sale. So if you want to go join her private group, that's where you can purchase. Like I purchased these. She'll post the beads. You comment mine sold, that bead is yours, and she will send you an invoice to pay for your items. And it is a fundraiser. I've not seen the beads. I'm excited to see what she's got coming up, because the beads from tonight's sale were absolutely stunning. I mean, they were stunning, and her theme was tie-dye, and some of them look like melted candy, some of them look like galaxies, some of them were like flowers. There was one that looked like it was on fire, and I commented on that one, and she said, girl, it was a fluke. I was like, you need to figure out how you done it, because that was stunning. And it was a one of. So whoever got that bead, congrats, because that was gorgeous. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Be sure you check out Soleil's Beads down in the comment section. I'll have her Facebook page. That will take you to the group. And I will have her Instagram. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.